Hello everyone. We are going to look at how to create a database on Hostinger. All right. Once you log into your Hostinger cPanel, this H panel actually, this is what you get. Okay. Now what we have to do is um we should look at the website that we need to create a database for. All right. I have so many websites here. Once I click on this website, you see them lined up. They'll be listed. So now let's use this first horizon. Okay, all I have to do is just click on this dashboard here. Once I click on the dashboard, now it brings me here. Okay, all right. What do I want to do? I want to create a database. Now you have so many things that domain, hosting, firmware, backup, auto installer, databases. This is what we're looking for. File manager and page speed inside. So click on these databases. Once you click on it, now you have this. Now this is what you have. MSQL, MySQL database name. Let's call it lesson. Now the username, let's call it lesson user. And the password, we can either generate the password or we can use our own. Okay, let's generate a password here. All right. Okay, I think I like this. All right, let's take out this exclamation mark, add this, come to this, remove this, add this. Now you click on this create user and boom, database created successfully. We have created our database. Let's see the database that we created. Look at it here. We named it lesson and the user is a lesson user and all of that. Okay. This is how to create a database on Hostinger. And this brings us to the end of this training.